Okay, I've just pulled the chicken out of the oven. It's been about an hour and 5 minutes. Little problem here is that this breast is smaller than this breast, so let's see. It's still bubbling down there. See how those taters are going to be all crispy and then kind of caramelized there? Onions are just kind of melting into the pan. And the neck and gizzard are all crispy. So let me grab a thermometer here. So when you test the breast, you poke it down into the thickest part of the meat. And what you're wanting is to get to about 150. That's where it's just going to be the most tender. That's heating up there. And then you're going to want the thigh to be about 170. So that's a little high. So these are unusually large breasts on here. So let's check this breast over here. Whoop. Went in too deep. You want to go all the way into the keel bone, which is the kind of that hard divider in the middle. See, smaller bird. It's just hotter there. Oh, it just plunges into that thigh so easily. So after you pull it out of the oven, you generally want to let it rest about 10 minutes, and you can expect a 5 degree increase in internal temperature as it rests. So if you pull it out and it's 147 in the breast, then you're probably fine to just pull it out and let it rest for a little bit. So the reason we did the oil was to get the skin really nice and crispy, and every part of this is super duper crispy. And just a little bit of salt on there. That's really all the flavoring it needs. A little bit of salt and it's just magical. So that's spatchcocking chicken. Super easy. Anyone can do it, and you can just make an amazing meal in one step.